I don't know if it's doing anything, but it looks fucking amazing! Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing another quick install video. We'll be installing the Memphis Shades handguards on the 2022 Road Glide ST. Huge thank you to Memphis Shades for sending me these parts along with the Memphis Shades windshield, which we installed on the last video. If you haven't seen that video, watch it right after this one. We'll get the parts on the bike, take the bike out for a ride, and I'll give you my honest opinion on how they perform. Let's open it up, see what's inside. And the box, it looks like we have a set of instructions, which we don't need. You have two brackets, one shorter, one longer. Now I'm assuming the shorter one will go on your throttle side, the longer one will go on your clutch side. You also have two star washers. I'm not too sure if I'm going to use those during the install. We'll see when we get to it. Then you have the two Memphis Shades handguards. Woo-wee! Shit, that's high quality, hey? Look how thick that is. That's solid. Color matches the color of the bike. I'm not too sure if you get these in any other colors. I'll have a look and put it in the video. Now this should be a pretty straightforward install. What's going to happen is your brackets will attach to the handguard. Like that, or like that. You'll remove your mirror, slide that under your mirror, and the whole installation should look something like that. Let's get to it. Okay, once your bracket is on, like that, bracket the bend facing downwards, you'll remove your mirror, slide the bracket under your mirror. It's just gonna go something like that. We just need to make sure that everything is lined up. Looks pretty damn good. It looks pretty sick, eh? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, install the other side, then we'll take the bike on the road and we'll see how they perform. Can't wait to get out and give these handguards a test, see if it does anything to stop the wind. I'm pretty sure it will help a lot when you get stones thrown up at your hands, get bugs in your hands, rain, but I'm mostly interested to see what it does for wind deflection. I don't know if it's doing anything, but it looks fucking amazing! I'm doing about 70 kilometers an hour, and I can feel that there's a huge difference already with these handguards fitted. It doesn't take all the wind off your hands, but you can feel that there is wind deflection, and I reckon it will make a huge difference when riding in colder weather. Keep that freezing wind off your hands. I spent most of the morning out riding with my new Memphis Shades handguards. I'll give you a look. Matches the paint job of the bike beautifully. Looks sick on the bike. Beautiful product. And you can see the quality. Look at that thickness. It's strong. It'll definitely protect your hands from taking all those hits. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but you can see it's already taken a hit from a stone or a piece of road debris. So yeah, it will definitely protect your hands. Does it stop all the wind? I wouldn't say so. If I had to guess, I'd say it stops about 40 to 50% of the wind hitting your hands. I reckon that'll make a huge difference on those frosty mornings. It will keep that frosty wind cutting through your gloves, cutting through your hands. Amazing product. Absolutely love it. Looks great on the bike. There you have it, guys. That's the quick install video on the Memphis Shades handguards on the Road Glide ST. If you guys haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon so you'll be notified when I upload new content. Huge shout out to Memphis Shades for sending me this product. It looks sick on the bike. Absolutely love it. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Until then, ride safe, God bless, and I'll see you on the other side.